When it comes to easy tool storage, the Home Depot knows the drill. This drill station's the perfect place to park your drills, charger, bits, and accessories. For less than $30 and in about an hour, you'll have a new spot that you and your drill can call home. Here are the materials and tools you're going to need. You can find them all at the Home Depot. For materials, you'll need one 6-foot 1x4, one 8-foot 1x8, one 6-outlet power strip, one pack of number 8 2-inch wood screws, 2 packs of number 6 3/4-inch wood screws. Now for the tools. You're going to need a circular saw, a drill and a 1/8 inch drill bit, a 1.5 inch spade bit, measuring tape or carpenter square, clamps, pencil, sanding block, and of course, safety goggles. For optional materials, you'll need paint or stain and some safety gloves. So let's get started. Using your measuring tape, measure and mark the pieces you will need. From the 1x4, measure one piece that is 21 7/8 inches long and 4 pieces that are each 7 1/4 inch long. From the 1x8, measure 2 pieces that are 1.5 inches long, 4 pieces that are 2 1/4 inch long, 2 pieces that are 11 3/4 inches long, and 2 pieces that are 21 7/8 inches long. Next, use the circular saw to make straight cuts on your marks. Using your spade bit, drill a 1.5 inch hole in the end of just one of the 11 3/4 inch boards. If you are planning to paint or stain your project, give all pieces a good sanding and then paint or stain them before you assemble it. Stand both of your 11 3/4 inch boards on their long end. Then place one of the 8 inch by 21 7/8 inch pieces in between them about 3.5 inches from the bottom. Attach with your wood screws. Next, take your two 1.5 inch pieces and attach them to the bottom of the two sides, making them flush to the edges. Attach with your wood screws. Grab one of your 8 by 2 1/4 inch pieces and one of your 4 by 7 1/4 inch pieces. Attach one of the 2 1/4 inch pieces along the bottom of one of the 7 1/4 inch pieces in the center to create a T. Pre-drill and attach with your wood screws. Do this 3 more times with your remaining 2 1/4 inch and 7 1/4 inch pieces. Attach these T-supports to the bottom shelf with your wood screws. Take the 8 by 21 7/8 inch piece and place it into your build frame about 2.5 inches down from the top. Attach with wood screws. Then, take the 4 by 21 7/8 inch piece and stand it vertically on the top shelf, flush with the back. Secure with your screws. For the final step, take your power strip and line it up on the side piece. Using the mounting holes on the back of the strip, make 2 marks on the side piece. Attach a 3/4 inch wood screw on each of these marks. Don't drill the screw flush, as this is where we'll hang the power strip. That's it. You're done. Be sure and put your tools away, including your drill, in your new drill station. For even more hands-on help and projects, go to homedepot.com/workshops and sign up for an in-store workshop near you. See you next time.